Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Hyprland and Sway. Hyprland and Sway are both tiling window managers for Linux designed for Wayland, but they focus on different features and user experiences. Hyprland is a modern tiling window manager for Linux built on Wayland, designed to be both stylish and functional. It offers smooth animations, blur effect, and rounded corners, make the desktop visually appealing. The configuration is simple, using a single file which allows easy customization. Hyprland supports multiple layouts, including a binary tree layout similar to traditional tiling manager. It's ideal for users who want a modern, dynamic desktop experience while exploring Wayland features. The performance is good, though it may use slightly more resources than minimalist setups. Sway is a lightweight and efficient tiling window manager for Linux that runs on Wayland. It is designed to be compatible with i3, making it easier for users familiar with i3 to transitions. Configuration is done through simple text files, allowing straightforward customization of key bindings and layouts. Sway focuses on speed, stability, and minimal resource usage, making it ideal for performance-conscious users. It doesn't include fancy animations or visual effects, keeping the desktop clean and distraction-free. Despite its simplicity, it is very flexible and reliable for daily workflows. Overall, Hyprland is better for a modern, visually appealing Wayland desktop, while Sway is ideal for lightweight, fast, and i3 compatible setup. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.